Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening, depending on the time you are seeing this video. So guys, let's cook egusi soup together. First of all, what I have in my pot is my beef, my fish, stock fish, onions, my seasoning cube, and also don't forget to add your pepper and some salt. Now let's add some water and give it a very good stir so that the whole ingredients will mix together. Okay, and cover it and allow it to steam for at least 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, this is how my pot is looking. So now I have to add some water in order to start adding my other ingredients, which is oil. So now you still have to cover it and allow it to steam up before you now add other things. So now I'm adding my grounded egusi. So after adding it, just give it a very quick stir so that it will mix together with the fish. So after stirring it, you should be able to have something like this and cover it and allow it to steam at least 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, this is the result of the it. So make sure to stir it very well from the bottom to the top. Make sure you stir it very well so that your pot will not get burnt. Okay, so you just have to top up some water and also stir it. So now I'm adding my crayfish. Just add the quantity you want. Okay, so after adding it, just give it a very quick stir and still cover your pot to allow your egusi to cook very well. So now I'm adding my uziza leaves. Okay, it's very important in your egusi soup. So add the quantity you want. Also give it a very quick stir. Okay, so guys, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video to your friends and family. Also follow my page for more amazing videos like this. Okay, so guys, the final part in this recipe is to add your vegetable. You can use any vegetable of your choice, but in this recipe I'm using my ugu leaves. So don't forget to give that a very quick stir so that the vegetable and the soup will mix very well, will mix together. Okay, and your soup will be ready just in 1 minute. This soup, you can pair it up with your fufu, with your eba, with your pounded yam, any swallow of your choice. Okay, so guys, this is our delicious egusi soup. Can you see how the pot is looking? Oh my god. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.